So, hi everybody, we're now just going to have a quick look at the hair structure, just to remind ourselves what actually we've got here in our diagram. Remember, we've got our 3 layers here of our hair. We've got our cuticle, we've got the cortex here, this brown area, and then here we have the medulla. Now if you remember, we were looking really at what the function of the cuticle was. This really is a protective layer that protects the inner part of the hair structure, protects the cortex. It also regulates porosity, doesn't it? Remember when we do our porosity test, we see how open or how closed these cuticles are. So this also means that it regulates how hygroscopic the hair is. Remember that word, hygroscopic. We've also got the cortex. Now you can see the cortex is the gutsiest area. Remember, we've looked at this and sort of referred to it like a pencil. So here's our outer part of our pencil, the shiny paint, which is the cuticle. And then here is the main woody area that we have. So this is the guts of the hair. This is where all the links and chains are that cause the hair to have strength. If we're doing an elasticity test, we're checking for tensile strength. So we're checking to see how strong these areas are. Also, we've got here, these dotted bits are pigment. Can you remember the name of the pigment that's found in the cortex of the hair? Key things are eumelanin and pheomelanin. Remember that eumelanin is black and brown and pheomelanin is red and yellow. Finally, we have the medulla. Can you remember anything about the medulla? Thinking really that if anyone has fine hair and is fair in depth, it's unlikely they will have a medulla. This is more common in people with coarser texture hair and darker in depth.